There's a hypnotic moment when you first witness an abstract wooden kinetic sculpture come alive, that precise instant when a breeze catches its carefully balanced elements, setting them into a graceful ballet of spinning, swaying, and tilting. These aren't static artworks to be observed from a distance, but dynamic creations that invite you into an ever-changing conversation between human craftsmanship, natural forces, and the inherent beauty of wood in motion. Abstract wooden kinetic sculpture represents one of the most fascinating intersections of art and physics, where rigid timber learns to flow like liquid and geometric forms find unexpected rhythms. The magic begins with selecting wood that can withstand constant movement without sacrificing aesthetic appeal. Artists often turn to dense, stable hardwoods like maple or cherry for structural components that need to maintain precise tolerances, while using lighter woods like basswood or cedar for moving elements that respond to subtle air currents. The grain direction becomes crucial. Carefully quartered sawn wood resists warping better than plain sawn stock, ensuring the sculpture's movements remain true to the artist's vision over time. Some creators incorporate multiple wood species in a single piece, playing with contrasts in color and density that become visible as different elements rotate past each other. The most innovative are experimenting with modern wood composites, layers of veneer laminated with alternating grain directions for maximum stability, or resin-stabilized burls that can be carved into impossibly delicate moving parts. Designing kinetic sculptures requires thinking in 4 dimensions, the 3 spatial ones plus the crucial element of time. Artists develop an intuitive understanding of how weight distribution affects motion, how a slightly thicker section of wood on one side of a rotating element will create a languid, uneven spin rather than a mechanical rotation. They learn to anticipate how wood's natural flex can be exploited to create secondary movements, perhaps a main arm that swings broadly while smaller attached elements tremble with their own micro-vibrations. The most captivating pieces incorporate multiple types of motion within a single sculpture. Some parts rotating smoothly, others oscillating back and forth, and a few elements that appear to move randomly until you discern their hidden patterns. The construction process blends ancient woodworking techniques with space-age precision. Traditional joinery methods like mortise and tenon get adapted for moving parts, often incorporating modern materials like Delrin bushings that allow wood to rotate against wood with minimal friction. Balancing becomes an art form in itself. Artists add or remove minute amounts of weight from hidden cavities to tune a component's movement, sometimes using lead shot or small magnets for adjustments measured in fractions of an ounce. The most complex sculptures employ concealed counterweights and pendulums that transform simple pushes into elaborate, extended motions. What appears as effortless floating is actually the result of painstaking calibration. Hours spent tweaking pivot points by millimeters and adjusting arm lengths by centimeters until the movement achieves that perfect hypnotic quality. Abstract forms dominate kinetic wood art because they communicate through pure motion rather than representational imagery. A perfectly balanced wooden sphere orbiting a central axis becomes a meditation on celestial mechanics. Interlocking geometric shapes that slide past each other without touching evoke molecular interactions. Cascading wooden elements that trigger chain reactions demonstrate the butterfly effect in tangible form. The abstraction allows viewers to project their own meanings. One person might see a dancer in the swaying forms, another might imagine planetary orbits, while a third simply enjoys the soothing repetition of shapes in motion. This openness to interpretation is kinetic art's great strength. It meets each viewer where they are, offering visual poetry rather than prescribed narrative. The interplay of light and shadow adds another layer of complexity to these sculptures. As elements rotate, they cast ever-changing shadow patterns that become artworks in themselves. Artists often position sculptures near windows or under carefully aimed lights to maximize this effect. Some pieces incorporate reflective surfaces, perhaps thin slices of wood with naturally mirrored grain patterns, that scatter light unpredictably as they move. The most sophisticated designs account for seasonal light changes, with winter sun creating dramatically different shadow plays than summer's higher angles. Scale dramatically affects how kinetic wooden sculptures communicate. Small tabletop pieces create intimate, personal experiences, their subtle movements rewarding close attention. Human-scale installations become interactive as viewers' movements through space create air currents that animate the artwork. Monumental outdoor sculptures transform entire plazas or parklands, their massive wooden elements moving with stately grace in response to weather systems. The largest works can incorporate multiple independent kinetic systems within a single sculpture, perhaps a towering central element that responds only to strong winds, surrounded by smaller components that dance in the gentlest breeze. Environmental integration separates great kinetic sculpture from mere clever mechanism. The best pieces seem to grow from their surroundings, their movements echoing natural patterns like swaying branches or flowing water. Artists study installation sites carefully, noting prevailing wind directions, sunlight angles, and even seasonal changes in humidity that might affect wood movement. Some sculptures incorporate weather vanes or wind-catching surfaces that actively orient themselves to maximize motion. Others use thermal expansion principles, different wood species reacting to temperature changes to create slow, inevitable movements unrelated to wind. The most site-specific pieces become organic extensions of their environments. Forest installations where carved wooden elements move in counterpoint to living trees, or beachfront sculptures that incorporate tidal rhythms into their motion sequences. Maintenance of kinetic wooden sculptures is both challenge and meditation. Unlike static artworks, these pieces require regular attention to keep moving smoothly, cleaning pivot points, reapplying friction-reducing waxes, checking for wear in high-movement areas. Many artists design their works with maintenance in mind. Hidden access panels for lubrication, easily replaceable wear components, and adjustable counterweight systems that can be tuned as the wood ages. This ongoing relationship between artwork and caretaker becomes its own art form, with each adjustment preserving the sculpture's original intent while allowing for natural evolution of the materials. Contemporary artists are pushing wooden kinetic sculpture into thrilling new territories. Some incorporate electromagnetic elements that create occasional unexpected movements amidst the wind-powered motions. Others experiment with programmed wood layers laminated with intentional internal stresses that cause gradual shape-shifting over time. A radical movement explores biointegrated sculptures where living fungi or bacteria within specially treated would create imperceptibly slow movements visible only through time-lapse observation. The most technologically advanced pieces use weather data feeds to predict and enhance their movements, adjusting balance or orientation in anticipation of coming wind shifts. The emotional impact of these sculptures stems from their uncanny lifelike qualities. Despite being clearly artificial, their movements feel organic and intentional. Viewers consistently attribute personality to kinetic pieces, describing some as shy in their motions, others as playful or contemplative. This anthropomorphism speaks to the art form's power to bridge mechanical and emotional realms. The best sculptures trigger deep relaxation responses, their predictable yet unpredictable motions acting as visual white noise that calms the nervous system. Hospitals and healing spaces increasingly commission wooden kinetic works for precisely this therapeutic quality. Collectors of kinetic wood art speak of the joy of living with pieces that never present the same view twice. A sculpture that spins lazily in morning kitchen breezes might become nearly still by afternoon, only to erupt into energetic motion when someone walks past in the evening. This constant variation makes the artworks feel like companions rather than possessions, their moods changing with the day's weather and the home's rhythms. Unlike traditional art that demands focused attention, kinetic pieces reward both active viewing and peripheral awareness, their movements catching the corner of your eye during daily activities. The future of abstract wooden kinetic sculpture points toward even deeper engagement with natural systems. Imagine breathing sculptures that expand and contract with humidity changes. Envision forest installations where hundreds of small kinetic elements create wave patterns across acres in response to wind. Picture architectural integrations where entire building facades incorporate kinetic wooden components that shade interiors while creating ever-changing street views. As climate awareness grows, these sculptures may serve as beautiful barometers, their movements visualizing otherwise invisible atmospheric changes. Perhaps the greatest lesson abstract wooden kinetic sculpture teaches is that rigidity is an illusion. Everything moves when properly understood. The wood that seems so solid in our hands becomes fluid in time and wind. The geometric forms we associate with stability reveal hidden capacities for grace. The air we move through unconsciously becomes a visible sculptor. These artworks remind us that balance isn't stillness but controlled motion, that change is the only constant, and that even the most angular realities contain curves if we observe long enough. The next time you encounter a wooden kinetic sculpture, don't just watch its movements. Listen to what the wood is telling you through its dance. Notice how different elements relate at various phases of their cycles. Observe how light plays across surfaces that won't hold still. See if you can detect the almost imperceptible adjustments the artist made to achieve that perfect motion. Then imagine all the unseen forces, material, mechanical, meteorological, that conspire to keep this wooden geometry alive before your eyes. That's the wonder of abstract wooden kinetic art. It makes visible the invisible energies that surround us daily. It transforms wind into mathematics and mathematics into poetry. It takes one of humanity's oldest materials and gives it voice in a language of movement that needs no translation. In our increasingly digital world, these analog marvels stand as testament to the enduring power of simple physics, careful craftsmanship, and wood's eternal capacity to surprise us. The wood waits in the studio, seasoned and prepared. The pivots stand ready to be tuned. The first breath of wind approaches. And somewhere in that perfect moment when material and force and vision align, another sculpture begins its endless dance, not just moving but teaching us how to see movement itself anew. All we need to do is pause long enough to watch the lesson unfold.